Shmai, I'm delighted to invite you to take part in this year's Have Your Say Dweud Eich Dweud Workforce Survey. The survey's a chance to make your voice heard by sharing your experience of working in social care in Wales. Your views help shape the support we and other organisations provide for you and your employer. It's the only national survey that gives a clear picture of what it's really like to work in social care and social work across Wales. Last year, more than 5,700 of you took part, our biggest response yet. Diolch yn fawr to everyone who responded. Your feedback highlighted your commitment to making a difference to people's lives. It was also encouraging to see that wellbeing has been improved amongst the workforce. But there are still some really important challenges to address. This survey helps us to understand those challenges and tackle them together with you, your employer and our partners. We know you're busy and that completing a survey might not feel like a priority, but taking the time to share your views will help us understand what is important to you. Please don't miss your chance to have your say. Head to our website and find out how you can take part. Diolch yn rando, thank you for listening.